Looking for high-performance, low-maintenance, fast-working shingles? This video is a must-watch. Common Power is a 15-year-old source manufacturer of roofing tiles that specializing in producing a wide range of high-quality roof tiles. Our products adopt one-piece molding design, can be cut at will, greatly reducing construction timing. This makes your building projects more efficient. All raw materials used by Commonwealth are imported and brand new. This ensures the durability of our products for up to 30 years. Even the amount of ASA film used is more than 1.5 times the industry standard. This means lower maintenance costs, longer experience. Quality is the lifeline of a product. Therefore, from the procurement of raw materials to every step of production, we strictly control to ensure that every product has gone through strict quality inspection. With the exclusive anti-counterfeiting label, you can use and live with peace of mind. Choosing Gumby Roof Tiles, you are choosing a high-performance, low-maintenance, quick construction solution.